Namaste and Hari Om to all yoga lovers. Friends, I am Dr. Raghvendra Pratap Raman, and in this video I will tell you how to practice Cobra pose correctly. In Sanskrit, Cobra pose is called Bhujangasana. Bhujanga means serpent or snake, and asana means pose or posture. So when you practice this cobra pose, your body looks like that a serpent or a cobra has raised its hood like this. So our body looks like in this shape. That is why this pose is called cobra pose. This is very beneficial pose for our body. I will tell you all the techniques, precautions and benefits of this cobra pose. So let's practice cobra pose. So friends, first I would tell you about the practice of easy cobra pose. Easy cobra pose is the preparation of cobra pose. And if a person has very much stiffness in his spine, then he should practice first easy cobra pose. For easy cobra pose, lie down on your stomach. Your both legs should be straight and together. Knees are touching each other. Your feet also should touch each other, and the soles of the feet should be uppermost side. The hands position is this. Your palms should be downside and fingers pointing forward like this. Relax your body. Your elbow should touch the ground and your body in the both sides. Relax your body. If you are feeling tension in your forearms, then you can make slight distance from your body. Now, inhale and raise your chest. And your elbow should be straight now, making a right angle from here. Inhaling, you can maintain this position for 2 to 3 minutes in a static position. You can take normal breathing in this position. After this, slowly come down in the starting position. If you want to practice it for many rounds, then inhaling, raise your chest and keep your head backside like this and maintain for few seconds holding your breath. Then exhaling, come down slowly and slowly. Relax. Friends, this is the easy cobra pose. Now I tell you the final cobra pose. You have to lie down just at the same. Feet should be straight. As I have told you earlier, soles of the feet should be upside. Now the position of the hands will change. In this final cobra pose, you will place your palms a little bit and under the shoulder and then slightly outside. Your elbow should be in the contact of your body like this. Your chin, you can put your chin or rest your forehead on the floor. Relax your body. Relax your whole body. There should be no tension in your mind and in your body muscles. Relax your body. Think about your spine. You are going to give a smooth massage to your spine, abdomen, chest, and a stretching in the whole body. Now, Inhaling slowly and slowly. First, tilt your head and inhaling, raise your shoulder and chest. Remember, you did not to raise your pelvic area. Your navel just should be raised a little bit, 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter from the ground. Otherwise, your pelvic region should be in the contact with the ground. You need not to stand like this. Just this is the correct position. If your spine is more flexible, then you may straight your hands. Also, your head should be backward and slowly come down. Exhaling your breath, come down. Relax your body. Relax your whole body. This is one round of Cobra pose. I will tell you once more. Relax for a few seconds. Then your Cobra pose practice is completed. Friends, if we talk about the benefit of Cobra pose, then it has much more benefit for our body. It elevates, it improves our moods, change our moods positively. A person suffering from cervical spondylitis, they can practice this asana. Many people looks like that their shoulder is just loosened, it shows lack of confidence. But this Cobra pose opens your chest and shoulder, and so your confidence also build up. If we talk about our lungs, so this Cobra pose expands our lungs. So a person suffering from asthma, they can practice for a healthy lungs. This Cobra pose gives a smooth massage to our abdominal area, be it intestine, stomach, and especially liver and kidney. So Cobra pose is very much beneficial in constipation. It increases our appetite. So it is useful in dyspepsia and other abdominal disorder. It is also very much beneficial for women in menstrual irregularity and other gynecological problem. It gives a healthy massage to the pelvic region and improves the pranic energy. The flow of pranic energy is increased in this area when we practice this Bhujangasana. Now I will tell you about the benefits of this Cobra pose for our spine. So it is very beneficial for our spine. It makes our spine flexible and healthy. If a person is suffering any stiffness in his spine, they must practice this Cobra pose. It will loosen and makes healthier spine and a supple spine. So, if you are suffering from backache or muscles are stiff in your back, then you can practice this asana. This asana, this Cobra pose improves the blood circulation in the whole body. This Cobra pose is also very much useful in relieving our stress from our mind. And also, if you want a flat stomach, then also you can practice this asana. A person suffering from diabetes, they should practice this Cobra pose because it gives a smooth, I have already said that gives a smooth massage to our abdominal area, so pancreas is stimulated and hormones secretion, insulin hormone secretion is regulated after the practice of this asana. I have told about the benefits of this Cobra pose. Now I tell you about the precautions and about the contraindications of this Cobra pose. Remember, a person suffering from intestinal tuberculosis, gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, or a hernia or hyperthyroidism, these people should practice cautiously under the proper guidance of expert yoga teacher, or they should not practice this Cobra pose. So friends, this was today's asana, today's pose, cobra pose. Practice this asana. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. You can share this video to your friends, to your relatives, so that they could also get the benefit of yoga. Thank you. Wish you good health. Hari Om.